Everyone talks about changing their life, but sometimes it starts with something as simple as this. Finishing one book. He didn't want to change the world. He just wanted to prove that he could finish something he started. He was the kind of person who loved new beginnings, new books, new apps, new ideas. But like a lot of us, he struggled with one thing: consistency. 12 months, 12 books half read, 12 tabs open, and 0 completions. The problem wasn't laziness, it was noise, distraction. He wanted to finish, but life kept getting in the way. Then one night, something changed. He saw a quote that said, "Finish the small things and one day you'll be trusted with the big ones." It hit him. Maybe it wasn't just a book. Maybe it was about discipline, about keeping a promise to himself. So he wrote it down. "This month, I will finish this book, no matter what." He made a simple rule: 15 minutes, every night. No excuses. Didn't matter if he was tired. Didn't matter if he was behind. He created a small space in his room. One chair, one lamp, one book, no phone, no background noise, just him and the pages. Some nights he read 2 chapters, some nights only 3 pages. But the rule stayed. Show up. Stay focused. Finish. By week 3, he was hooked, not just on the book, but on the habit. He stopped feeling guilty, stopped feeling like a quitter. And on day 27, he flipped the final page. Finished. Done. Complete. Not a huge goal, but a powerful one. Because now he had proof. He could keep a promise to himself. That book became a turning point. He didn't stop there. He picked another one. Then another. He used what he read to learn about digital skills, to build better habits, to grow a side income, to manage his time. And it all started with one goal: finish one book. So if you feel stuck, overwhelmed, all over the place, don't try to fix everything overnight. Just ask yourself, what's one small thing I can finish this month? Then finish it. Write the goal. Make it visible. Read it daily. Turn it into a win. Because one finished book, it can be the first chapter of a whole new life. Curious how people are learning digital skills and making money online? I've laid it all out in a free guide, the link's in my bio. Seriously, go check it out. And if you're ready to grow, subscribe now. Your future self will thank you.